Okay, tell me if this sounds familiar. It's December, everything feels cute and warm on the outside, all the lights, hot chocolate, and cozy playlists, but your actual life, pure chaos. You're trying to wrap up work before the holidays, you have reports breathing down your neck, you're planning gifts, planning travel, and somehow you're also trying to start your new year, new me goals 2 weeks early. So what do we all do? We open our notes app, type 5 random thoughts, grab a notebook, start scribbling, switch to a calendar, then end up with 20 half-finished lists and 0 real progress. And somehow year after year we're shocked when we get overwhelmed, but honestly it's not you, your system is the problem. And that's exactly why we need templates, to give our brains the structure they're secretly begging for. Let's admit it, most humans are terrible at starting from zero, our brains just kinda hate it. You know that feeling when you want to plan a trip and you're excited, but then you look at a blank page and suddenly you're like, okay, wait, do I start with flights, hotels, budget, packing list, weather, do I need a visa? Or when you want to write your annual review at work and your brain suddenly decides to uninstall itself, or you open up a planner to organise your week and instead you end up scrolling TikTok for 2 hours because the blank page gives you a bit of stage fright. And here's the thing, it's not laziness, it's literally how your mind works. Your brain loves structure, it loves being told start here, do this first, then go here. That's why templates exist. Templates are basically brain shortcuts. They are pre-built frameworks that remove the paralysis of starting from scratch. You don't waste energy thinking about the layout, you save your decision-making power for the actual task. And another thing, we are visual creatures, like painfully visual. That's why a random list in your notes app looks chaotic, but a structured template with headings and boxes instantly feels official, even if you wrote the exact same things. Templates basically give you this little psychological boost where you feel and look more professional without doing extra work. This matters way more than people think, especially when you're handing in a school project, preparing a client proposal, sending someone a resume, sharing a travel plan with friends, or pitching a content strategy for your side business. If your document looks clean and organised, people automatically take you more seriously. That's just how humans operate. Now let's be honest for a moment, our lives are anything but simple. We are juggling a main job, a side hustle, running social media, managing money, studying, planning events, tracking habits, and so much more. A memo app can barely handle a grocery list, let alone all of this. When your life becomes a whole ecosystem of tasks, you need a structured system, not random notes scattered across 5 different apps. And that's where templates come in again, because a good template turns something complicated into something manageable. You'd be surprised how big, overwhelming things suddenly become step-by-step panels that guide you instead of stressing you out. So let's take a look at the thing that's going to save our December. I'm talking about PDFelement's template system. PDFelement has this huge template library that covers basically every part of your life. And the cool thing is, these are not just some boring office forms, they actually are templates for real people dealing with real chaos. And right now, because of Black Friday and the Christmas sales, literally all the templates inside the app are free for a limited time. Plus the annual plan is at the lowest price of the year, so if there was ever a moment to try it out, it's right now. But let me show you how different kinds of PDFelement templates help in real life. If December feels like a tornado, this is your best friend. Monthly calendars, weekly planners, and habit trackers are the ones you just open, type your stuff in, and your entire month suddenly starts looking kinda sane. If you're a student or just trying to self-study throughout the year, you need pre-built deadlines, revision plans, and reading log templates. No more staring at a blank page and saying, I'll maybe start tomorrow. This one keeps your flights, hotels, budget, and packing all organised. If you've ever tried to plan a trip in a notes app, you know how messy it can get. Here it's clean, visual, and shareable. We're talking monthly budget, expense tracker, savings plan, and a subscription tracker. Templates take something emotionally draining and make it almost pleasing. PDFelement has resumes for different jobs, starting from designers and engineers to teachers and marketers. There are also lots of business forms like invoices, contracts, meeting notes, and proposals. Even if you don't run a company, these make your life just so much easier. All that December chaos, I totally understand it. You can count on PDFelement templates for gift lists, menus, event timelines, invitations, wedding menus, and birthday cards. You literally click, edit, and you're done. It's like having a personal assistant that already knows what you need in advance. Let me show you how easy it is to use PDFelement templates, because you might actually be surprised when you start. You can begin by first opening PDFelement. Then on the left, click Create a PDF. As a next step, choose PDF template. And there you have it, you're inside the template mall in a matter of seconds. You'll find that everything is organised by category such as education, business, cards, calendars, resumes, invoices, and so on. You only need to pick one, it opens instantly, and then you type in your info. After you're done, just export it, and you're all set. You don't have to design anything, no formatting headaches, no wrestling with word spacing or weird Google Docs alignment issues. And what's more, all the templates inside the app are free for a limited time, and the annual plan has the biggest discount of the year. If you've been meaning to get your life sorted for 2026, this is honestly the easiest soft start you can give yourself. So yeah, December may be chaotic, but it doesn't have to feel like your life is completely falling apart. If you're tired of blank pages, tired of planning from scratch, and juggling everything in 5 different apps, templates are the simplest lifesaver you can start using today. And PDFelement has pretty much every template you could need, all ready to go. Try a few, play with them, and watch how much lighter your brain feels when you're not starting from zero every single time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out PDFelement to see which templates fits your workflow best. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.